Why do I love Zone 2 running? I love Zone 2 running because Zone 2 running turns you into a fat burning machine slowly, like a rice cooker, not a microwave. It builds endurance so strong you can outrun your past decisions. Your heart gets tougher while your legs gets lighter and your sweat smells like discipline. Bonus, you can chat, sing, or narrate your life like a telenovela while running. It's the only workout where moving slow means winning. Want to lose weight without looking like you're dying? That's Zone 2 running, baby. Want to run longer while maintaining your GGSS mode? That's Zone 2 running, baby. It's fitness for the patient, the wise, and the unbothered. Yun lang. Maligayang araw ng kagitingan. Run, run, run!